Welcome back to our latest tutorial series. This time we'll create a mouse-like landscape with a small industrial outpost. We'll carve big rock formations from styrofoam, convert an old terrain piece into something new, and even scratch build our own new generator building from old electronic parts and plastic. It's a 2-segment display which is a commission for an exhibition on tabletop gaming. The whole thing was done in 3 days, so prepare for some speed painting with great effects. The basic structure are 2 MDF plates from the do-it-yourself market. We also need lots of styrofoam, some old electronic boxes. I got them from a do-it-yourself store. I tried to get some different shapes and sizes. The old Fortress of Redemption from Games Workshop. And some gypsum parts. I don't know yet which will be used in the project. Let's surprise ourselves. We'll start by drawing the outlines of our river, our canyon, and the little islands. Sometimes you will notice that you don't have the right idea how everything should look. It really can help if you just start building up some volumes of the buildings that will be on the gaming table to see where the land masses should be, how big they should be, and how much height you need. So I just start to play around a bit with the Fortress of Redemption. It will be a big generator building, and I just simply start putting some things on it, looking where something should be, until I like the basic shape of it and know, okay, it's that big, it looks like this, and it needs this amount of land to stand on without looking silly or unsupported. I use some blue tack to stick everything together, because I don't know yet if I like the chimney, and gluing it in place just would make more work if I have to remove it. Which in fact I did in the end of the project. Knowing I would build an industrial plantation, I started to look for old terrain we had lying around in the Games Workshop. And I knew a chimney would look great on the Fortress of Redemption. I think it's really fitting to have such a big structure for something that is so simple, but it's the Imperium. So we have to get some angels on it, skulls, and we just can't build a chimney. Knowing how big the chimney building will be, it's now simple to draw the outlines. We use transparent paper to trace the outlines of our lens masses. Then we cut out the shapes and use these templates to cut our styrofoam. I use a hot wire cutter to cut the styrofoam. You could also use sharp knives. Now it's time to draw the outlines onto our styrofoam. You don't have to be that exact while doing this, we just need a rough outline. As we carve the rocks later, the outline will be lost anyway. It's just to know how the whole thing looks. So much for today. See you tomorrow for part 2 when we start to carve the rock surfaces.